What's the meaning of bow bells? Bow bells. Bow bells.
Bow bells. Bow bells. Bow bells refers to the bells of St. Mary Lubbow Church in the Cheapside district of London, England. The term is often used in Cockney rhyming slang, where bow bells rhymes with cells and is shorthand for London. The phrase born within the sound of bow bells traditionally refers to people born in the East End of London and is considered a mark of true Cockney heritage. Overall, bow bells has become synonymous with London and its vibrant culture, especially the working-class traditions of the East End.